Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want to talk about different ways to make money as a graphic designer, most especially if you are using your mobile phone. So right now, the first one I want to explore is freelancing. And the word freelancing means you have to freelance and is a lucrative way to earn from Canva by creating designs for various clients. So everything you've learned here can be freelanced as a designer. So the things you could do, you could create logo designs from the things we've done. You could start offering freelance services as a logo designer. You could create flyers for brands. You could create posters. You could create invitations. Then, we have custom templates for presentation for social media. We have orders. We have logos. We have flyers. So some platforms you can use for freelancing. We have about two of them that are most popular. So there is one called Fiverr. You can open Fiverr on your mobile phone, and there's another one called Upwork. So there is Upwork, there is Fiverr. So you can open these two platforms called Upwork and Canva. And we have the mobile app. So this is Upwork and this is Fiverr. So you could open this, then create an account or learn more about freelancing so you could know how to explore these platforms. So this is Fiverr. You could open this up, and this is Upwork. You could open it up as well. But before you proceed, before you start doing anything on freelance platforms, you need a portfolio. You need to build a portfolio and make sure you have a lot of designs in your portfolio. And you need to specialize in a niche. You don't have to be a full graphic designer. You can start creating logos for people. So just find logos, just say logos and see what you see here. Then this time around, you're going to see people that are into designing of logo. So you accept all. But before you come check for that, all you have to do is there are a lot of things you could do as a freelancer. So we have graphic designers, you see, we have different niche here, as you could see, and some of it you could see some of it are top skills, and one of it is resume writing. So you could check this out. You see different resume writers. So you can be one of those. You can start creating resumes for people, and you'll be able to do that. Since I've taught you how to do that, then you could go on and on. You could try to search for whatever you want to do. So let's say logo design. Logo design is one of those skill actually you could actually do on Canva. And this is logo design. These are people that are doing logo designs. So we have a whole lot of descriptions here. So you could see this is a logo designer and a branding graphic designer. So you could see this person has carried out 100 jobs related to your search. And yeah, so you could see that we have these platforms and they are looking okay. So all you have to do is to learn more about freelancing, or you just download these apps and navigate it yourself. So you can come to Play Store. Both apps are on Play Store as well. So you can come to Play Store, search for Upwork. It's available on Play Store. Check for Upwork. All you have to do is to install Upwork for freelancer, this particular app. All you have to do is to install it. That's the first. And the second is Fiverr. There are other freelancing platforms. You could actually freelance on LinkedIn as well. So you could see Fiverr, just type Fiverr. You could see and install Fiverr. Then another thing you need to install, you could go ahead to install LinkedIn. So you could go ahead to install LinkedIn. I have a course on LinkedIn marketing. If you want to learn more about this particular apps, as you could see, you could get jobs and you could freelance on LinkedIn as well. So if you need to learn more about LinkedIn and how to freelance with LinkedIn, I have a course on that. Just search for my name, Beloved JB on Google, and open the first index. And here is my course catalog. In my course catalog, I have something that would interest you, which is LinkedIn marketing. This course, LinkedIn marketing call for professionals and personal brand. So you need a course like this to learn LinkedIn marketing, and in it you learn how to freelance because LinkedIn has a freelancing platforms, and has a freelancing platform, and you could easily get job from this freelancing platform. So I just opened my LinkedIn, and here you could see that you have you have a place to you have a place to do your freelancing. So all I have to do is to open my profile, and here in my profile, you see that there's something called services. So these services is where you're going to freelance on LinkedIn. But if you want to learn more about it, like you could offer services on LinkedIn. If you want to learn more about it, and you'll be able to see requests, and as you can see, I've gotten a lot of requests on LinkedIn. You could see all this. I've gotten a lot of requests, and they are all resume writing, resume writing. So resume writing is one of those requests here on LinkedIn. As you could see, these are resume writing, and we have them right now. So we have all these, and you could see these are people that has reviewed my services. If you want to learn more about LinkedIn marketing in general, so that's the course for you. And right now, you as a designer can start freelancing and start making money by freelancing your skill, by creating logos, creating flyers, creating all sort of things, create resumes for people. Just the same way I've templated it is the best way you can create resume. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.